Have you ever wondered how 3D printing is transforming our daily lives? An intriguing question, isn't it? Once a concept confined to the realm of science fiction, 3D printing now stands as a tangible reality, reshaping various facets of our everyday existence. So, what exactly is 3D printing? Well, in the simplest terms, it's a process that creates a physical object from a digital design. Think of it as a high-tech crafting session where a machine meticulously layers material upon material, ultimately giving birth to a fully formed, three-dimensional object. Now let's delve into the real-world applications of this groundbreaking technology. Imagine a world where the loss of a limb doesn't necessarily mean a lifetime of dependency. 3D printing has made this possible by enabling the creation of custom prosthetics. These aren't your run-of-the-mill, one-size-fits-all prosthetics, but personalized, comfortable, and functional limbs designed to fit the individual's needs perfectly. But that's not all. The realm of architecture, too, has embraced 3D printing. Detailed, accurate models of structures yet to be built can now be printed, providing a tangible visualization of architectural marvels before they even break ground. Then there's the world of fashion and jewelry, an industry known for its flair for the unique and personal. 3D printing has opened up a new avenue for designers to create intricate, bespoke pieces that mirror the wearer's personality to a T. And believe it or not, even our kitchens aren't immune to the 3D printing revolution. Yes, food, from chocolate to pasta and beyond, can now be 3D printed, adding a whole new dimension to culinary creativity. The beauty of 3D printing lies in its ability to democratize manufacturing. It puts the power of creation into the hands of anyone with a 3D printer, opening up a world of possibilities right from the comfort of the home. So next time you look at a complex object, ask yourself, could this be 3D printed? Because the answer, more and more often, is yes. The future is here, and it's being printed in 3D.